Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to blend image with your background design and how you can make this up transparent to the CorelDraw to achieve that. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, I'm going to use this image as an example right here. Now, the very first thing we want to do is to select the image. So once the image is active, next thing you want to do is to come to this toolbar right here and make sure you look for your transparent tool. Go ahead and select transparent tool. Having selected your transparent tools, you can decide to apply the transparent effect to any area on the image. So by default, we have some options right here which allow you to control the opacity. But in some cases, you may decide to use this transparent and blend some area of that image. Let's say, for instance, I want to blend the bottom with the background of the design right here. So what we want to do is to press Shift key down and drag inward this way. Now we have it to be from the top. Now let's say, for instance, we want it to be from the bottom. So what we want to do now is to press Shift key and drag from upward right here until we are able to satisfy the area we want, just like so. Now we can go ahead and adjust the transparent area. So if we want it to be from the bottom alone, press Shift key down and drag it until we are able to achieve the actual result we want to achieve. Then from the top here also, I will drag inward this way, and then here I will go ahead and drag inward this way. Everything will blend. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve. So the more you adjust right here, the more you are getting the result. Then one more thing here is that you can control the opacity right here. So if you find out that the opacity here is too much, you can come down here and you can come here and turn down the opacity until you are able to achieve the right result. So you can see the opacity right here. So we can also go on and make sure we achieve the kind of result we want to achieve. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve as far as transparent and blending of image with the background in the design in CorelDraw is concerned. Just like what you see right here. So just keep on adjusting until you are able to achieve the right result. Looking for. It's that simple. So no matter any type of background you use, this is how it's going to look like. So if I press Ctrl D to make it and I decide to take it right here, it's still going to give me the kind of cool transparent background because we have already applied it in this particular design right here. So if I decide to come back here and select my transparent tool again and I decide to adjust, so the more you adjust, the more it's going to be reflected in your design. So I come back here again and I try to adjust this one as well, and it's going to give me a cool and kind of result. So it's that simple. So basically, this is how to blend your background design with your image using transparent tools in CorelDraw. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.